Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to remove Instagram account from login list. Sometimes you log into too many Instagram accounts, and later you just want to remove one from the list. Maybe it's an old account, or you just don't use it anymore. Here's how you can easily remove it. First, open the Instagram app on your phone, and make sure you're logged in. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. This will open the main menu. Here, tap on Account Center from the list. Now scroll a bit and tap on Personal Details. After that, select Account Ownership and Control to access more options. Next, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Here, choose the account you want to remove from your login list. Then tap on Delete Account to begin. Next, tap Continue, and you'll see your Threads profile linked with that account, which will also be deleted. Finally, tap Continue again to confirm, and your Instagram account will be removed from the login list. Once it's done, you'll no longer see that account on your login screen. You can always log back in later if you change your mind by entering your username and password again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.